If you're looking for a large 3-row SUV that is just as comfortable on the highway as it is on the trail, the new Wagoneer Series 2 Overland is the one you've been waiting for. Under the hood is a Hurricane twin-turbo 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, making a peak 420 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission and it powers all 4 wheels with a full-time 4-wheel drive system. EPA rates economy at 16 miles to the gallon in town and 23 on the highway. Towing is limited to 10,000 pounds. The Wagoneer Overland is based on a mid-level trim, but it still features a long list of standard amenities, including a 10.1-inch infotainment system, remote start, trailer brake, and a panorama sunroof. When the road ends, you'll be ready with the Wagoneer Overland's off-road ready equipment, including all-terrain tires, air suspension, recovery hooks, extensive underbody protection, a rear-locking differential, and a dual-speed transfer case. Even when you're fully loaded with passengers, the Wagoneer Overland still has a usable 27.4 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row. Fold all the seats flat for up to 116.7 cubic feet overall. Under the floor is additional storage. With the seats up, you'll note that the third row is actually rather spacious. The second row features dedicated climate controls, along with heated seats, AC and DC power options. Move up front for a true luxury experience, with comfy seats that are both heated and cooled. There's also a premium Alpine stereo system, digital gauge cluster, and a 10.1-inch infotainment system. Take command of the powertrain with the Wagoneer's easy-to-use controls. Switch into low gear, raise the air suspension, set the drive mode, or even enable the select speed crawl control system to make even the most challenging trails easy. On the street, the vehicle lowers for improved handling, and thanks to the generous level of power from the twin-turbo inline 6, this is a rather quick SUV. Get up to speed and pass with ease. For active safety, the Wagoneer has you covered with collision mitigation, blind spot warnings, surround view camera system, and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. To experience the new Jeep Wagoneer Overland, visit your local AutoNation Jeep Wagoneer dealer today. Get started at AutoNation.com.